having been involved in motorsport for some 30 years, I can tell you there's not a lot of room for opulence, for luxury. It really is, unless you go to the Monaco Grand Prix every weekend, it really is Holiday Inn after West Inn or whatever. But I can tell you there is luxury in racing, and it's right here with Marathon coach. Kasey Hess is the man to ask all the questions to. We're in one of these fantastic motorhomes. Tell us a little bit about the culture and what makes this a very special place to come to racing.
Yeah, so as you can see, totally unique, totally custom, and beautiful. So we hand build or hand create each of these coaches. They're all unique. So we build 2 of these a month, so about 24 a year. So you can see it takes a lot of time, between 10 and 12,000 hours man labor to build a coach like this.
You might think you've heard the word RV before, but this is not an RV. This is pure luxury. Tell us a little bit about the specs and why this is so high-end.
Yeah, so this is built on a Prevost chassis, so the finest motor coach chassis in the world. You're going to have the safest chassis, the quietest chassis, so that's where it starts. But on the inside, like I said, it's all hand built. So it's 45 feet long, so up here you're going to have a beautiful salon. You've got a large sofa, you've got 2 TVs up here. Moving back in the coach, you've got the dinette area. You have a dishwasher, a cooktop, a microwave oven, and a large Sub-Zero refrigerator. And you've even got a half bath, so if you don't want guests going into your bedroom and into your bathroom, your guests that come over for dinner or for a drink, they use the half bath. As you move further on, you've got your large master suite with the bathroom, and I love that shower. You have a rain head, you have the wand, and then you've got the full king bed back there with a large TV. So at night, watching sports or news, whatever it is back there. And then in the far rear, you've got a large rear closet with a washer and dryer. So if you need to clean that race suit while you're at the track or your clothes, you've got your full laundry set up in the back as well.
What about getting around America on one of these?
Yeah, that's one of the beautiful things about this is it drives like a Cadillac. Very comfortable, very quiet. It's a great way to make a long drive, a lot better than sitting in a car for several hours.
You can customize it to their want.
Absolutely. So if a family that has young kids, they'd want a bunk coach. So in the middle, there's bunks for the kids and a master suite. Some people build it for 2. Some people build it for more of a corporate style as well. So they have a boardroom in the back and meeting space in the front. So we can design and tailor fit it to your needs.
Finally, Kasey, give me something that you find very special. I'm looking at the fire down there and thinking, that's a nice touch. I mean, there's so much luxury here. I mean, it's beautiful. What do you like, or what would you not notice first off that you might want to point out?
I think you stole it. The fireplace is awesome. This morning it was 47, and for a Florida boy, that's cold. I had that going. The heated floors. When you step out of bed in the morning and that floor's warm, even if it's going to be a warm day, there's nothing like that.
Well, thank you very much,
Absolutely.
Kasey Hess. A fantastic product, one which I'm sure you'll see at every racetrack. I'm sold for sure. I think me and my puppy next year will be in a marathon if it all works out well. But this is pure luxury and definitely the way to go racing.